Welcome student. In the last part of this lesson, that is the in simple machine, today we are going to learn about to solve the exercise of this lesson, because we already learned all this topic in little bit manner, just we revise whole topic. So first of all, in simple machine we learned a various types of simple machine, why we need the machine and what are the advantages of using machine. Means if we are using the machine, then our work get done sooner, the time and efforts are saved, money also saved, the work done in accurate, in a proper time, in a proper way. So these are some advantages of using machine. Means in our day-to-day life we use the machine in our various tasks. These machines are made up of various small parts, they are joined together and made up of a big machine. Machines are classified into the two groups, that are the simple machine and second one are the complex machine. The machine which have a simple structure and only having a one or two parts, that are called as a simple machine. For example, nut cutter, bottle opener, the wheel used to push the load, and pulley, wheel and its axle are as inclined plane are the examples of the simple machine that we had learnt. Okay. In a complex machine, the structure of that machine is made up of various small parts. Number of parts are joined together to make a complex structure. Means complex machine have a complex structure. Okay. For example, mobile, computer, mixer grinder, refrigerator. Okay. These are the examples of the complex machine. Means machine are divided into two parts, that are the simple and complex machine. Then we learned the various examples of the simple machine, that are the inclined plane, then screw, a wedge, lever, pulley, wheel and the axle are the various examples of the simple machine. In that we learned about the inclined plane and inclined plane, what is the use of the inclined plane, that we had learned. Then screw, and we learnt about the Archimedes principle based on the basis of the screws, means construction of the simple machine. The separate video of the Archimedes principle by animated source I had seen you along with this exercise. Okay. Then we learned about the wedge, then lever. Lever is of three types, and also these types are based according to the position of the fulcrum. What is meant by fulcrum? A support on which a load is applied to do the work, that is called as a fulcrum. Okay. Means fulcrum, the support at which a rod of a lever is rested, is called as a fulcrum of a lever. The lever rotates about the fulcrum. Okay. Then we learnt about the load, the weight lifted by a lever or a force against which the lever acts is called as a load. The force applied on the either side of the rod to lift the load is called as a efforts. Okay. So load, fulcrum, load and efforts are the main three different parts of the lever. Okay. These are of three kinds: first order, second order and the third order. Okay. Then we learned a simple machine, pulley, working of the pulley, how it is the constructed, a device which have a grooved wheel and a thread designed to lift a weight is called as a pulley. Okay. Then what is the use of pulley? Then we see. Okay. Then axle and the wheel and the axle. ये भी हमने देखा है. Then the main part of this lesson, that is the maintenance of the machine. How we take care of the machine, and second one, why we should take care of the machine. There are the two different ways by which we explain the these answers. Why we take the machine? Because dust and other solid particles may settle on this. If the machine is not in use for several days, the inner part of this machine may rust, and so working of the machine is not going to be in a smooth manner. If the oiling is not there, the various parts are rub against each other, making a various crackle sound. So avoiding this and to keep the machine in a smoothly manner working efficiently, we should take care the machine. Then next one question, how should we take care the machine? How means कशी आपण मशीनची काळजी कशी घेतली म्हणजे we should oil the machine regularly, wipe the upper part of the machine that are opened into the air by a clean cloth. Machines are oiled regularly to reduce the friction. If the machine is not in use, then cover it properly and regularly maintains the oiling and other caring of the machine. In big factories, there are several type of machines are there. So there is a different separate department for to take care of or to maintain the machines. So that is doing a maintaining work of the machines. Okay. So that we had learned or revived all the lesson in a proper way. Okay. Now just we see the exercise of this lesson. See, first one question is there. Classify the following as a lever, pulley and an inclined plane. There are some examples are given to you. You have to identify which type of a machine it is. Either it is a lever or pulley or inclined plane. See, first of all, a wedge is a inclined plane. Inclined plane. Okay. Needle, inclined plane. Okay. A staircase, also inclined plane. म्हणजे जिना, staircase म्हणजे काय? जिना. It is also an inclined plane. A slide, inclined plane. A wheel of a flag pole, झेंड्याचा जो वरचा भाग असतो, पुली, त्याला काय असते? पुली असते की ज्याच्यावरून दोरा खालीवर होत असतो. नट कटर इज अ टाइप ऑफ अ लेवर. Scissor, it is also a lever. An opener is also a lever. Here we should not maintain either it is a first order, second order or third order, only to mention it is a type of a lever. Okay. An axe, inclined plane. A crane, crane having a pulley. A knife is an inclined plane. Or you may say it is a wedge also, you can say. Okay. So according to the structure, we classify all these 11 different types of devices in lever, pulley and inclined structure. Now the second question is the fill in the blanks using the proper word and complete the statements that I have written on the board properly afterwards. Firstly, we will solve the question number 3. Which machine will you use to do the following works? Write their types. See here, which type of a machine will you use to do the following tasks? There are some tasks are given to you in 5 sentences and you have to identify which type of a machine you are going to use to do that work. First of all, to remove the lid of a bottle of to remove the lid of a tin आहे त्याचं लीड जे म्हणजे टोपण आहे ते आपल्याला रिमूव्ह करायचं आहे. वी शुड यूज सेकंड ऑर्डर lever or bottle opener. Okay, bottle opener. ठीक है. Second one, to lift bricks to the top of the tall building. एक उंच इमारत आहे आणि खालून वरपर्यंत विटा न्यायचे. ब्रिक्स मीन्स विटा. तर काय वापरणार आपण? we use the pulley. Now third one, to cut the vegetables we use a knife or a wedge. Okay, now to draw a water from where? Pulley. To hold the papad for roasting it we should use tong for this. We should use tong for this, and it is a third order lever. Okay, in this way we complete here 2 questions. One more most important question, filling the blanks, is here. I written all the question on the blackboard. You have to copy down all this in your notebook. Pause the video and write down all these questions in your notebook in a proper way. Okay, along with that I will send you the PDF of the respective lesson, and you have to write down the notes regarding to this lesson. Okay, okay, in the third question, that is filling the blanks is there, and sentence is given to you. According to that, the lever of first order, second order and third order is given as an blank space. So according to the given structure here, you have to put the proper word in the proper place. Okay, so first of all, let's see the first sentence. The dash in the center. What is in the center? That is the fulcrum. Okay, fulcrum in the center. The second one is the load at one side and the effort are on the other side to make a lever of the first order. Okay, then second, the dash in the center. What is center? Load in the center. The fulcrum one side and the effort on the other side to make a lever of the second order. Okay, in the third, the dash in the center. What is center? Efforts. Effort in the center. The load on one side and the fulcrum on the other side to make a lever of the third order. I have given you a structure manner of the first order, second order and third order lever. You have to put proper word to make the complete sentence. Pause the video and write down all the things that written on the blackboard. Okay, so student, in the next part of the video we should learn more question about it, the question of the long type of a question and also a different types of filling the blanks. Till then, okay.